Ciao Tesla people, today I'm going to do a road trip to Pescocostanzo, which is close by, around 40 kilometers from here in the mountain, and it's going to be nice. I'm going to probably eat there, we'll see. Anyway, the temperature just dropped by half. So 2 days ago was 36 degrees Celsius. We had a couple of days of a day and a half of rain, and the weather changed. Now it's 22 degrees. So this morning when I woke up, early this morning, was 18 degrees Celsius. So half of that of a day and a half ago. It's crazy. Anyway, I'm planning to do some stops on the way. So hopefully I can do some time lapse and take some pictures of the mountains, and we go through a beautiful woods called Bosco di San Antonio, which is always great. And then I will stop probably on top of the pass that there is a flat place, flat ground. Okay, we'll see. Anyway, come with me. I'll check out the time lapse of the ride, and I'll see you in a bit. So I came to Rivisondoli, which is close to Pescocostanzo, because Pescocostanzo was pretty crowded. I couldn't even park. And here's the flat place and down there is a Roccaraso, and up there are the ski resorts all the way. Okay, these ski resorts are the largest ski resorts in center-south of Italy. It's really nice. Unfortunately, this town, Rivisondoli, the old part, is not very well organized, so everybody are staying in the new part, which is along a street, and it's not the greatest. Like the bars where you can stay are along the streets, which is not nice. And here there's a restaurant. I think it's a 2-star restaurant. I forgot about it now. So it's a very nice place, but has the pros and cons. And I think it's coming to rain soon, unfortunately. So I'm going back to the car and then pick up 2 people, and then going back. Oh, maybe we'll go to Aremonia, which is where the ski resort starts. There are some nice views. Temperature-wise, it's great. Fantastic. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So I'm back at home. It was a nice ride. Let me lower the air conditioning. It was really nice at Rivisondoli and Pescocostanzo. The weather changed. It started to rain a bit, unfortunately, so we had to leave. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao to people.